I'd recommend you guys go and check out my other channel, Excited Patsan Gaming. So, as of right now, we have 2 severe thunderstorm warnings that we are tracking. The one is just north of the Oklahoma City Metro, near Edmond, and the other one is up here. North of the Oklahoma City Metro. So, let's go up here and check this one. Also making sure that I have you guys pulled up. Alright, there we go. So we're working 2 severe thunderstorm warnings at the minute, and I don't want to see that right now. But we're working 2 at the moment. And this one could be trying to form a rotation, but I don't really see it. But we'll have to keep an eye on that right there, because that could potentially form into something we check the spectrum with. There's a little bit of turbulence there, but not a whole lot that could indicate anything. This one expires in 34 minutes. This includes northwestern Woodson County in southeastern Kansas and east central Greenwood County in southeastern Kansas until 5 p.m. CST. So you guys still have 33 minutes in this severe thunderstorm warning. Severe thunderstorm is located 8 miles southwest of Gridley, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Damage to vehicles is expected. The main hazard here is quarter-sized hail. Virgil, you guys are in the path of this storm. Now, let's jump back down to the severe storm that's in the Oklahoma City metro area. This one doesn't really have a whole lot of turbulence to it. Check the velocity. And there's broad rotation here. One right there and another one right there. Right there. And if we check the spectrum width again, like in the areas we just highlighted, there's a little bit of turbulence, but not a whole lot there. Let's actually check the correlation coefficient here. And I'm not going to say it disappeared on the new scan. So I'm not going to say that's a tornado on the ground, but that could very well have been a brief spin up. But I don't think it was. I don't think that was. We have a couple of social weather statements as well here, but as of right now, we're currently working 2 severe thunderstorm warnings right now and no tornado warnings as of right now. So let's actually go over here and check the Storm Prediction Center. There's no new mesoscale discussions. This is the last one issued 42 minutes ago or so. Severe threat for tornado watch 546 continues. Strong winds remain possible this afternoon, but a downstream watch is not currently anticipated. What that means is that as these storms move out of the area, the Storm Prediction Center does not expect to reissue another watch, as these storms will be moving into a less favorable environment where they'll practically dissipate. If we look at the day 2 outlook here, there isn't any risk of severe weather here. The light green areas that you're seeing on your screen is a level 0 out of 5 risk for severe weather. And that's the same with the day 3 convective outlook. There will be no severe weather expected. However, though, today was supposed to be a day where there wasn't supposed to be any severe weather. And here we are. That rotation we're watching up near Gridley hasn't developed since we last took a look at it. So I have a feeling that's probably not going to do much anymore. So we're going to jump back down to this one, as there are two potential developments to this system. And actually, let's see if we can get an Oklahoma City Skycam. Which way would that be? That would be looking northwest. Oklahoma City Cam, sounding skyline. Going to Oklahoma City. I'm not sure which way that's looking right now. Okay, never mind about that. What the frick? Okay, so that may actually work. North Norman, downtown OKC. So this is downtown Oklahoma City now. I don't think that'll... Let's take a look at this. Oh yeah, this may be a good look here. This camera updates every 60 seconds. I want you guys to look at the middle of your screen here on the left side. That looks like it could potentially be a wall cloud here. Oh yeah, that could actually be a wall cloud. This is in Guthrie. Where is Guthrie? Guthrie is located right near Edmond, so that would make sense. Guthrie would be looking, you guys in Guthrie would be looking almost exactly towards this rotation right here. And it looks like this rotation is now starting to tighten up. So the National Weather Service in Norman may have to pull the trigger on tornado warning pretty soon. This one down here is also starting to spin up, it seems. Is there any storm reports? I have tornado storm reports on right now. Next rad. No. Spotter network. I'll turn that on. So all these green dots are all spotters that are out on these storms. We have Blaze Edwards. Blaze Edwards is currently located in Crescent. We have Derek Klein and Aaron Spencer. All of them are on the storm right now. Then we have others. Apparently all these spotters had the same idea that I did with this storm producing a tornado. Because all these chasers in this area are all on this one storm. There's plenty more down in the Oklahoma City metro that could all potentially move up. We have one person up here on this severe thunderstorm warning, and yeah, it looks like this storm is now moving up into the Burlington area. And I have a feeling that the National Weather Service up there may just cancel the warning. But I think the main storm is probably this one down here now. And I have a feeling that the National Weather Service will likely reissue the severe thunderstorm warning here. The storm practically popped out of nowhere as well. I'm going to turn off the spotter network for now, so we can get a better picture. The only thing that could be limiting the storm's potential is probably this right there. That's probably the only thing that's limiting it. I have a feeling like it's trying to produce a tornado, but it can't, because it doesn't have enough warm, moist air to take in. Let's check out the Storm Prediction Center again, see if there's any new mesoscale. And there is not any new mesoscale discussions that have been issued recently. We still have 2 severe thunderstorm watches. In fact, the one up in Oklahoma and Texas, and then this one that includes Iowa, northeast and east central Kansas, and northwest Missouri. They will probably expire at the same time. Actually, let me check that. That one expires at 8 central. This one expires at 11 central. So the one including Tulsa. Hold up. Yeah, the one including Tulsa still has about 5 to 6 more hours on it, and then the other one has about 2 hours left. It looks like this storm is now trying to form itself a hook echo here. It's trying to pull the inflow around itself, and if there would be a tornado form, it would be right about there. So where I circled is where the tornado is most likely to be, if there is one down. And let me check the spectrum width. Still isn't any turbulence here, but obviously that could change pretty quickly. Base velocity is confirming that theory. And I believe, yes, new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for southeastern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma and Logan County, geez, I can't speak, in central Oklahoma until 5:30 p.m. CST. Severe thunderstorms are located along a line extending from near Marshall to 5 miles northwest of Piedmont, moving east at 25. Golf ball sized hail and 60 mile per hour wind gusts are associated with the storm. Train spotters reported golf ball sized hail northwest of Cation. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. People and animals will outdoors will be injured. So if you or your pets are outside for some reason, I'd get them in now. You do not want to risk being them or yourself being injured by these storms as they move through. People and animals, I already went through that. Expect damage to roofs, windows, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, sidings, and trees. Locations impacted include Guthrie, Crescent, Cashin. Once again, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. Cedar Valley, Marshall, Molo, Cimarron City, Orlando, Level, Navina, and Seward. So if you know anyone who lives in those areas, call them now and let them know that there's a potentially dangerous storm moving towards them that looks like it's intensifying really quickly. I'm getting more and more nervous about this rotation down here. I'm honestly surprised that a tornado warning hasn't been issued just because of that rotation down there. This could potentially be our first tornado warning of the day. And in fact, I expect it to be. Because this storm, we've been monitoring. Jeez, why can't I speak? We've been monitoring this storm now for a while. Since the stream began, like 20 minutes ago at this point. 18 minutes. Pretty much the same thing. We've been watching this now for a while, and I gotta go find a phone charger really quickly, chat. So, I will be right back. Alright, chat, I'm back. Okay, that got plugged in. Nice. So it seems as if the storm hasn't fully gotten itself together yet, but I fully expect it to, especially that northern not northern, southernmost rotation. That just doesn't look good to me at all. Base velocity confirms that. Take a look at storm relative, and yeah, storm relative is also indicating that we could have something 25 knots on a Storm Prediction Center. Anything new from them? Is that a new one? I don't believe it is. I think that's the same one. Yeah, that's the same one from earlier. Actually, let's go. Okay, so it's on there. Take a look at that Guthrie Skycam, and my goodness. Jeez. That sunset makes it pretty, but also dangerous at the same time. You do not want to be out there in this storm right now. Especially at night. If you're out there during night, especially chasing, because you won't be able to see the tornado. Oh no. Oh no. That thing may be trying. That thing has like the clear hook echo shape on it. I'm not seeing any signs of rotation right now, but that thing could be developing. Same as the storm up in Burlington, once again. It's going into a favorable environment as well, so we may have to watch this storm as well as it moves closer to the Burlington area. Because this thing could be trying to get itself together. Base velocities are strong with this one. Not seeing much from the base velocity side. This is coming from the Topeka, Kansas radar. I believe that's in Kansas. Yes, that is in Kansas. Alright. This is coming from the Topeka radar. So that's probably a good 20 miles away. Oh, good 59 miles away. Good to know. I'm going to check on Twitter quickly, just see if anything's happened. Yes, I agree with that. University of Oklahoma. Make sure you have a plan for tonight. Okay, let's jump back down to the Cedar Thunderstorm Warning, the Oklahoma City Metro. And I'm still surprised that they haven't issued a tornado warning for any of these rotations. Especially this one right here. That one's the one I got my eye on right now. That's... I still have no idea what this tool does. So if anyone could help me out here, that would be appreciated. Oh wait, what did I just do there? I have no idea what I did there, chat. But still though, this storm has my attention right now. Obviously, reds are moving away from the radar, greens are moving towards. And right in the middle is where the tornado would be. Now, if this were an anticyclonic tornado, the red would be moving towards the radar and greens would be moving away from it. But that usually is a rare case to happen here in the United States. No, wait. Reds move towards, green moves away. Hold up. My brain is just dying. My brain's been dying a lot recently, chat. Just ignore it. What? No. This is from Vortex Weather. Photograph from the Dallas area showing a decent environment for supercell development and potentially tornadic supercells with the aid of the low-level jet beyond the lookout. Actually, let's go down and check the Dallas area right now. Right now, you guys just have some showers moving through, potentially thunderstorms. Nothing too bad. Right now, it looks like that's the only thing you're going to get right now, Dallas. So right now, you guys look like you're in the clear. If there's any good news, it looks like the southern rotation is starting to die out a little bit. I'm going to circle that and then... I'm going to say it, but... Actually, how tall are these cloud tops? Those are some pretty high cloud tops here. Got some pretty good, I believe that's likely hail. Hydrometeor. Red is hail. Heavy rain surrounding it. Dark red is light hail. Heavy hail? I'm not completely sure. These storms are just very, they're dying right now. I don't know why this thunderstorm warning is still going on here. All the bad stuff is up in the Burlington area now. There's no need to have a warning up anymore. So pretty soon we're just going to be down to working one severe thunderstorm warning. If you're just tuning into the live stream, we have not had any tornado warnings. We've only had severe thunderstorm warnings, which is the good news right now. More in Norman, I'm not going to give you guys an all clear yet, but pretty soon I can probably give you guys an all clear. 60 or... Yeah, actually I can probably give you guys an all clear. Unless the storm near Edmond, I think that popped out of nowhere. Oh yeah, that storm over Edmond popped out of nowhere, so we'll have to watch that carefully. But once again, if you're just tuning in, we're down to working one severe thunderstorm warning, as this one up here is going to be expiring in a minute. Because obviously all the rotation is now up into the Burlington area and is no longer going to be a threat to anyone. So that warning will be going away in 1 minute. Now we're going to be working this one, which expires in about 30 minutes or so. So just stay tuned to the live stream. I'll cover all that information that you guys need to know. So this warning, I should say, expires in 30 minutes. Warning continues for southeastern Kingfisher County and Logan County in central Oklahoma until 5:30 p.m. CST. Golf ball size hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts still. Train size reported golf ball size hail northwest of Cushion. Cushion is down here, I believe. Yeah, this warning was issued about probably about 30 minutes ago. severe thunderstorm. I'm following them, but storm will contain golf ball-sized hail. Okay, so this warning was issued about 22 minutes ago. And a new special weather statement has been issued. Damage is possible. Nothing too bad. And it seems as if that southern rotation is slowly starting to die itself down now, which is good, obviously. So if you guys are just now tuning into the stream, as I said earlier, we are working one severe thunderstorm warning now, and it's this one right here. This is just north of the Oklahoma City area. This includes US 77 and I-35. This includes the towns of Cedar Valley, Crescent, Guthrie, Marshall. This also includes US 51 and US 70, including Lobo and Midway, in Santa Martin City, Twin Lakes, Cashion, and Seward. Waterloo, you guys are out of the severe thunderstorm warning. Polygon, Lakeview, you guys can probably see the very heavy rain. That's just your northwest. I do not know why it was like glitching out there. Yeah, I don't know why it's glitching out, chat. Sorry, if it's doing it, just refresh your stream. Yeah, I'm gonna refresh the stream. Give me 1 minute here. Alright, it should hopefully be fixed here. Okay, it's an issue on my side. Let me do something real quick. Alright, I turned my microphone on and off. Maybe that fixed it. Okay, it didn't. So it's an issue with me on my end then. Let me end the stream real quickly and then restart it. Maybe that'll do something. Okay, I'm hoping that fixed it. Okay, yeah, it did. Good. So, as you guys saw, we've been streaming for about 40 minutes now. I started as soon as I rage quit on my algebra homework. Well, I didn't rage quit. I finished as much as I could. No, I finished it. My brain is just on all different sorts of levels right now. Let me see here if I can clear anyone. The storm doesn't look as healthy as it did, say, 30 minutes ago. Teams have been weakened by an outflow boundary that moved through before. Soon, bozo. Actually, let me take a look at that. That could be something, potentially, right there. Yeah, that could potentially be something. Maybe something right there as well. Actually, I think that may be part of our old rotation. Yeah, that's part of our old rotation that's now dying off. That's nothing we need to be concerned with right now. We still have 23 minutes of this storm. And going back to Twitter to see if they've posted anything. Few severe storms expected this evening with damaging hail most likely. Where is that? Neutral stroke hail in Southern Plains. Darn. Soon, Bo. Sorry, guys. Bo's my dog. He's been in his cage almost all day. Okay, yeah, it looks like this storm is slowly dying it off. And that's exactly what it's doing. But we have a new severe thunderstorm warning down in Wichita. Oh, yeah. Severe thunderstorm warning for Wichita County in northern Texas until 6 p.m. CST. Severe thunderstorm is located 5 miles northeast of Electra, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Radar indicated people and animals outdoors will be injured. So, as I said with the previous severe thunderstorm warning, if you have pets or loved ones outside for any reason at all, bring them in. Do them a favor and bring them in right now before the storm moves into your area. This thing looks like it's nasty. Let's check cloud tops on this, and honestly, for the amount of hail it's producing, it's not looking that impressive on the echo top. For the amount of hail it's producing, that's really low cloud. However, it's looking like it's picking up in that storm. And that's a very... They just issued a new one for that. I think they did. Yep, new severe thunderstorm warning has just been issued. Severe thunderstorm warning for northern Oklahoma County and central Oklahoma, southern Logan County and central Oklahoma, and southwestern Payne County in central Oklahoma until 6 p.m. CST. At 5:10 p.m. CST, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles northeast of Guthrie to 3 miles south of Cashin, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Golf ball-sized hail and 60 mile per hour wind gusts. Train spotters reported golf ball-sized hail near the Kingfisher and Logan County line. So same thing that we've been talking about for the past almost hour now. I've been live streaming. If you have anyone outside, get them indoors now. It says that this will impact Oklahoma City. Northeastern Oklahoma City. The northern suburbs of Oklahoma City, Edmond, Guthrie, Langston, Luther, Coyle, Cedar Valley, Arcadia, Meridian, Navina, and Seward will be impacted. Moving up here, I'm not seeing a whole lot. Which is good, obviously. We don't want to see anything like this ever happening. Obviously, Cannon, that's what we need to watch out for. And it appears like these storms are trying to redevelop once again. You've got to be freaking kidding me. But you know what? That's what I'm here for. This is why I'm wanting to be a meteorologist when I eventually graduate high school. This is why I want to go to college. These storms can and will be unpredictable. You never know when they could potentially form a tornado. Like right here, that's a pretty decent rotation. Let's go to Twitter. So the severe thunderstorm warning continues for Guthrie, Cedar Valley, and Seymour County until 5:30. This is the previous severe thunderstorm warning that we were tracking. This one right here. They issued a new one in advance, likely for this right here. I have a feeling this storm is taking some of the inflow away from one of the storms up here that actually, hold up. And do that. Yeah, that storm could be taking away some of the inflow. But honestly, I'm not really seeing it, but obviously we have to watch out for this storm. Let's move back down to the Wichita storm. Take a look at that. Honestly, that still has a pretty good rotation on it. Not rotation, pretty good hail core by the look of it. Check it. See if it's rotating, and it's too close to the Frederick radar. But this stays on its current track. It could go through the northern Dallas suburbs if it sticks together. However, though, it's going to soon be moving out of the radar. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. New mesoscale discussion. Areas affected, parts of North Texas, severe potential, watch likely. Valid 10/23/30/06 Z to 11/01/1000 Z. Probability of watch issuance 80%. Storms capable of producing damaging hail, strong gusts, and perhaps a brief tornado are expected to affect parts of North Texas this evening. Surface analysis shows the cold front from central Oklahoma into northwest Texas with the dry line from near Wichita Falls extending northwestward towards San Angelo. While dew points are only in the 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit range, temperatures aloft are quite cold, which is maximizing instability. 21Z sounding from OUN showed 2,000 joules per kilogram MU Cape, despite little heating today. Visual satellite imagery shows towering CU near the cold front, dry line intersection approaching the Wichita Falls area. One or two of these supercells may eventually form out of this area. Storms forecast to propose east-southeastward this evening, lengthening photographs as well as deep blast rates aloft with 500 millibar temperatures near 17 degrees Celsius. Suggests damaging hail will be possible as storms move east-southeast along and south of the Red River Valley. A brief tornado may occur as well as low-level shear remains favorable prior to the cold front passing. However, low-level winds are forecast to rapidly veer this evening. So expected new severe thunderstorm watch within the next 20 minutes or so. 20 minutes to an hour. And I need to get a drink. That's, I'll be right back, chat. Alright, I'm back. So, this is likely a cold front with storms developing. That's that. Let's take a look at I'm just going closer. Didn't know that would happen. H triple R. Okay, let's look at the H triple R model here to see. So, this is, in my opinion, the best model to use for severe weather. But obviously, you guys can have your own opinions. It looks like these storms will go through the Dallas-Fort Worth area at around 6Z tomorrow. Which, for those of you who cannot convert that time like me, that would be 9 p.m. tomorrow. That can't be right. So this is right about now. Guam. Why in Guam? Okay, just add 3 hours to it. So that's about, yeah, this is right now. This is what's happening right now. And yeah, it's depicting that cell. 1 hour, little bit of showers show up in Texas. Maybe another supercell starting to form near the Oklahoma metro. So it looks like in about 2 hours, these storms will start to come together. Actually start doing severe stuff. Potentially produce a few tornadoes along the line as well. A few tornadoes can't be ruled out. So jumping back down to this one, there's another special weather statement that's been issued this storm's northeast.
Creamy peanut butter.
Why? So this storm is only about 18 miles away from the Wichita Falls area. This is only about 150 miles away from Dallas. Oh, that just gets rid of radars. Well, I don't want to do that. Alright. So, I want to see if this will actually work on. Oh, it does. Okay. Pressure sensor. What's this? Okay, that doesn't do anything. Other stations, I think that. Hey, it's on last name. Give me 1 minute, chat. All this stuff better be closed up there, Max. Let me check. Just make sure the pantry's closed. Come on, let's go. Hey, Rosie. Hey, big boy. Come on, let's go party. I'll be right back, chat. Here for you. Alright, chat, I'm back now. What's happened? Bo, there's nothing up there, bud. Hey! Bo! Bo! There's nothing up there, bubs. Bo! Hey! Bo! No! Hey! Bo! No! Bo! Oh my gosh, Bo! Alright, chat, I'm back now. 20 warning. Severe thunderstorm warning continues for Edmond until 6 p.m. Bo, no. Bree, that goes for you as well. Bo, no. Bo, no. Bo, no. Bo, down now. No. Bo, get down now, bubs. I'll deal with him later. I don't have time for this right now. So, Cedar Valley, you guys should be done with the severe risk for tonight. Saying should because I'm not completely sure about that, but you guys should be done with it for the night. Moving on to the Wichita fall storm, and of course there's a new, and that could be developing a hook. Can't really tell though because it's so close to radar. This storm seems to be bowing out. 15 minutes left on it. So coming out to the stream tonight. It means a lot to me. But I have so much stuff going on now that I won't be able to continue with the live stream. So thank you all once again for coming out to the stream. It means a lot to me, and I will see you all later. So peace out, guys. Also, make sure to check out my gaming channel, Excited Patsy on Gaming. I'll hopefully have a Call of Duty mobile video out either today or tonight or Friday. So now, peace out, guys.